checking out the new tone. I got the XLs on here. They're interesting. I don't know if I like them. I think I can go down a gauge. Tension is it's high. For a 10, it's real high, and I went with heavy bottoms this time for experimental purposes. So neck pickup, tone all the way open. Let's see what this sounds like. Kind of like it's very piano-ish. Okay. Volume all the way up, tone all the way open. Almost like God let you know, bop, 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 that kind of thing. Okay, let's roll it back halfway. Go on the neck. Like this. Ah! Kill some cats. Apparently this works all by itself, but we're never going to use that by itself ever. That's stupid. We should just be a two-position switch. Neck and bridge. We don't need that by itself. So let's check out neck and bridge. Halfway up, tone open.